Okay, so today we're going to be breaking down a trade I took on euro dollar. It was a long and it was on the 10th of July, I believe. So there's going to be a ton of value from it. Top down analysis. So I hope you guys enjoy. Hope you're having an amazing trading week as well. Forgot to mention. Enough fluff from my side now. Let's get straight into the charts and recap this trade. Breakdown. Today we're going to be breaking down a long that I took on euro dollar. So stay tuned. There's going to be a lot of value in this video. A lot of insights on how I'm taking trades currently, and I'm currently doing a funding challenge as well, so I'll keep you noticed and up to date on that. No more fluff, let's get straight into the trade recap, and we're going to start on the daily. As you know, daily bias is very important, so that's where we're going to start. So what can I see on the euro dollar? We're very bullish so far. I mean, you can just see from this whole piece of price action that we're going up very strong, correcting in this corrective nature. And then we're showing a lot of momentum up, breaking this swing high. And as you know, liquidity lies above swing highs. So there you go. There's liquidity there. There's liquidity there as well. So that's my next targets. And around these big figures, for example, 1.1 big figure, those are very key levels. They're psychological levels. And that's where price tends to gravitate towards many times, because people, big institution trades, they're not going to be closing at like very specific numbers. They're going to be closing at big, large numbers ending in zeros, ending in 50, those sort of numbers, not something like, for example, 1.10583 specific. As you can see, they're going to be ending at very key levels. So that's a little tip for you guys, psychological levels. But overall daily is very bullish. Now this was taken on the 10th of July. So I'm going to just skip forward to that, which is a Monday. Okay, so just to tell you guys again, this is the Asian range and the indicator is right there. It's this one, this Asian range indicator, and it's basically from New York time. As you can see, that's my time set over here. New York time, 7 o'clock, so 1900 to midnight. Okay, that is the Asian session, and it's called the Asian range. You've heard me talk about it many times on this channel, but that's basically what the whole trade is based around. We're bullish on the daily, very bullish. What are we doing on the hour? We're consolidating around here and then showing large pushes up, showing that we're bullish again. And we have this drawn from the daily. Remember the daily, we drew this massive key level psychological figure, which is, it's not psychological, but it's a level of liquidity. So we're looking for price to target this, and as you know, to fill orders, we need to take out liquidity and then fuel that main move up to take out orders. I'm looking for a raid on sell side liquidity and then take out buy side liquidity above the Asian high. So it's a simple power of 3 ICT concept, takes out the Asian low, goes up to the Asian high. So that's pretty much on the hour. We can also see there's some fair value gaps here. So a lot of price imbalances. So I would really like price, it doesn't matter what I like, but it would be really cool if price came down, took out all of these, entered a fair value gap, a high time frame fair value gap, showed us a reaction, showed us our entry model, and then we take the buy. Now if we go down to the 15, we can see that our midnight opening price is right there. Midnight opening price, we have the Asian low, which is there, the Asian high, which is there. So above the Asian high, rest buy side liquidity. Below the Asian low, rest sell side liquidity. And the opening price is a very good indicator of when you should be buying and when you should be selling. Sort of like premium and discount in a way, where we say that you should be buying at a discount price and selling at a premium price. The same thing with a midnight opening price is what I've realized, that buying below the midnight opening price is very high probability, and also selling above the opening price is very high probability as well. And if this is not making much sense to you, I'm coming out with a complete strategy video for my strategy. It'll be linked in the description below when it does come out, so stay tuned, hit my socials up, stay tuned, be informed when that drops. It's going to be so cool. I've been working on it for around a month now. It's going to go into the nitty gritties on my strategy and a lot of various aspects that I found personally while backtesting, so I think that'll be really useful for you guys and I hope you enjoy it. So since we're buying, since the daily is telling us that we're bullish, the hour is telling us that we're bullish, and to be fair, even the M15 is telling us we're bullish. All of these bullish signs, so obviously I'm going to take buys, hence why I'm going to be looking to take a buy below the midnight opening price. So that's the 15 minutes. So now let's get to 2 a.m. 1:45, 2 a.m. Okay, so as you can see, there's lows there that we can take out, and also there's this massive high time frame fair value gap that we saw before, the hour fair value gap. So now let's drop down to the 5 minute and 4 minute as well. Okay, so now what I like to see, there's actually, I'm pretty sure in this trade there was an SMT divergence, which, and if there is, I'll put it on the screen right now. But what I'm looking for right now is just a bullish confirmation, some weakness, and yeah, I'm pretty good. I'm pretty set to buy then. So just ranging around, nothing really, and there we go. What is it showing me? If you look at all of this price action, it's very, very corrective. It's moving very, very sideways. And then we come to London, sweep, and we also have many, many wick rejections. Shown by, there's one there, one there. As you can see, there is weakness, right? So all that's showing me is that price doesn't want to go down anymore, and it's just reaffirming that bullish bias that we had all the way down from the daily time frame. So midnight opening price, we're below the opening price, we have a fair value gap there, we have a break of structure, boom, 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 everything is looking good. And yeah, just wait to be tagged in. So the break of structure was at 3 o'clock, which is also the ICT silver bullet time. So I've made a silver bullet video as well, so check that out if you haven't already. And yeah, let's see. Okay, price comes in, tags us in there, in drawdown, floating drawdown, and then eventually we go out and hit take profit. This wasn't take profit, this would be a take profit. There, that'll be my, that was the trade. If you're targeting the Asian high, which is the opposing side of liquidity, you would have been tagged out and your take profit would have been hit. That was a trade breakdown. I hope all of you got a ton of value from it. And if you haven't, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask them down in the comment section below. I'm very, very active on social media, so I'll definitely respond to you. Stay safe, happy trading, and I'll see you guys in the next one.